Morning everybody, just thought I'd do a quick video about wind noise in crash helmets. I've got two crash helmets, and the other one that I've been wearing that you've seen on the videos is brilliant for very little wind noise. But the problem I have with it, it's not a real problem, the padding inside is not very soft, and when I'm on some of these longer rides, like the other week when I done the Dove Cottage, and then when I went up to Lincoln, because the padding is not very thick, that was starting to make me head sore. So I'd got this other helmet that I've got on now, and I was getting a lot of wind noise problem with it. So I had to reconfigure where my mic went. Well, I've got Bluetooth headset in both helmets, so you know, I've got access to my phone. I can take an incoming call, and that's got a radio on it, and you know that you got last number redial on it. But now what it is, I found with the wind noise, it's the actual shape of the crash helmet. This one is more pointed at the front. It's this is one of them modular helmets, you know, the flip front, and you can probably hear it now. But I mean, that's absolutely roaring in my ears as though you're in a wind tunnel. But so what I've had to do with the microphone is bring it alongside the Bluetooth one, and so I've taped the cable to the boom on that, and then put a double piece of foam over both microphones. But I'll put a picture on here and show you the shape of the helmets. And I was riding home last night, and that was doing it, and I was trying to figure out why. But as soon as I put my hand up sort of on the side of my face, you know, with the crash helmet on, it eliminates it. So I've come to the conclusion it's the shape of it. Yeah, so I mean, the helmet I've got is, well, they're both Duccini, which they're pretty good helmets. I mean, they're comfortable enough, you know. I mean, the other one, as I say, on a short trip like backwards and forwards to work or locally, that's not too bad. But on a long run, you're sort of riding along and you just sort of keep having to move it because that's rubbing on the top of your head, and after a period of time that does get sore. So yeah, that's the problem I've been having. So I wanted to get this other one sorted, which I'm now wearing, and because we've still got a few rides left this year, and I want to be comfortable. That's as simple as that. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see if anybody else is having problems like that. But from the videos I've seen of different people, they don't have a great deal of problem with wind noise, unless it's just these Duccinis, because to be honest, I don't know anybody else who's got one. But anyway, I'm going to head off to work now. So leave a comment and tell me what you think, and I'll talk to you all again soon. And you take care, ride safe, and we'll see you in another video. Bye for now.